Today, on the testing station version 2.0 is the new Stargate 435 high-speed turbine model. It introduces a magnetic coupler and a dual coil AC generator system. The goal is to improve output and stability from the previous model. This system is complete with a full bridge rectifier converting the AC power produced by the generator into DC power. The load is a simple LED light. You'll be able to see the performance with the tachometer reading and voltmeter displayed in the front. Let's see how it performs. Hey, that actually wasn't bad for a first run. 8.5 volts at 12,500 revolutions per minute. The next version, I'm going to try increasing the magnet count from 6 magnets to 8, and see if we can push that output even higher. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.